Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if there is a case inside of Xreal Beam Pro box. Here is Xreal Beam Pro box and let's open it to see if there's a case inside. Here's the device, and under it there is this little package and there's nothing more. And inside of this package there is a SD card tray opener, quick start guide, and a safety guide with warranty card. But there is nothing more, so there's no case inside of this box. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.